So looking at the Social Health Atlas will give you a way of investigating some data about your LGA. So for Monash, and I'm looking at maybe Mulgrave within that, if I click on Monash and then select the data, okay, I'm going to look at total fertility rate. Actually already had that loaded up, but what it does, it tells you how well it performs compared to all the other LGAs. You can see it's very low, so the number of births is very low compared to the others. But you can select a whole range of different bits of information. So you can look at things linked to community strength, labour force, income support. There's lots on health and education. So you can perhaps use those to help think about what your LGA needs in the area, which will help your overall application. Now, what you can also do on this second link, you can compare different factors and see if there's maybe a link between different ones. So for this one here, I wanted to look at something that linked community strength, or it's actually a bit of a negative. It's looked at how many people experience discrimination or been treated unfairly. And then I've looked at personal and financial stresses. So with this one here, you can see that on the right-hand side, there's a scatter graph that's being created. And what I also like about this, as you move, clicking on each of the dots, it shows you which LGA it's selected. Okay, and that might help identify any spatial association or patterns. But on here, it's a kind of a fairly clear positive correlation. So people have experienced discrimination and treated unfairly more when there is government support as their main source of income. So again, that might just kind of highlight the fact that you want more income investment if you're in your area, if that's something that's performed quite low. So again, try and link it maybe to the first bit of research on Social Health Atlas in that first map example. It's all about learning about your area and think about what maybe it doesn't perform so well on, and if you can find any links that might show, well, if you do this, it might improve this. Okay, so you're looking for patterns and different correlations.